Good morning, students. Today our topic is addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of money. We have already discussed what are different units of money and how we can convert them. Today we will discuss how we can add and subtract units of money. Students, as we know, there are two units of money, that are rupees and paise. So for addition and subtraction, first of all we will write their units in separate columns, and then we will write numbers according to their places, and then we will add and subtract accordingly. Let us discuss with the help of some examples. Suppose first we will discuss addition. Suppose we want to add two numbers, that is 70 rupees 30 paise and rupees 28 rupees and 50 paisas. As you know, there are two places, left and right. Left number shows rupees and right number shows paise. So first of all we will write rupees and paisas both unit. Okay, now we will write numbers according to their places. Now here is 17 before decimal, means 17 rupees. So here I will write 17 below rupees. On right of point, here is a number 30, means 30 paisa. As we have already discussed, there is a point between two numbers, and left number shows rupees and right number shows paisas. So 17 rupees 30 paises. So I will write 30 below paisa. Now we will write second number in the same way, 28 rupees. So I will write here, and 50 is after decimal, so 50 paisa. So I will write here 50. Now we will add these two numbers and put a sign of plus here. Okay. Now start doing addition. We always do addition from right side. So okay, 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, count on your fingers, 5 plus 3 here 8. So 80 paisas. Now move to rupees. 7 plus 8. How many? Count on your fingers. 7 plus 8, 15. So here 5 and 1 carry to next place. Now 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1 carry. So it is 4. Now here is point. So I will write here point. Okay. You should write number according to their places, and we should remember that after point the number should be written from left side. Okay. Now this is our answer, 45 rupees 80 paisas. Okay. Now let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to add rupees 15.85 and second number is rupees 30.00. Now first of all we will write two numbers in the same way. First of all we will write two units, rupees and paisas. Okay. Now we will add numbers. First of all we will write their places. Now here is a point, and it means this is rupees, and number after point is paisas. So 15 here and 85 will be here. Okay. In the same way write another number. In this number, now you can see here is a number on left of decimal, it means 30 rupees, but in paisas here is 0, it means 0 paise. So I will write here two zeros. Okay. Now put a sign of plus here and put here decimals. Okay. Now start doing addition from right side. 5 plus 0 here 5. Now 8 plus 0 here 8, and here point. Okay. Now 5 plus 0 5, and 3 plus 1 4. So our answer is 45 rupees 85 paisas. Okay. In this way we can add the given numbers. First of all we will write their units, and then we will write two numbers according to their places, and then we will add the two numbers. Okay, now let us discuss some examples of subtraction. Now we will do subtraction. Okay, let us take an example. Question is, subtract rupees 38.50 from rupees 65.25. Okay, this is the question given to us. We have to subtract, and these are two numbers. So in subtraction we will do in the same way, but we have to remember which is bigger number. Okay, for example, first of all we will write units. Okay, rupees and paisas. Now for subtraction we have to see which is bigger number. Now you can see which is bigger. First, for this you have to compare two numbers. We will compare the left number. Okay, this number on the left side of decimal. Okay, we will not compare these numbers, we will compare these numbers because these are bigger units. These are rupees and these are paisas. So always we compare the numbers by bigger units. So this is 38 and this is 65. So this is bigger number. Okay, so it is 65 and here 25. So first of all we will write bigger number, and we have already discussed the number after from is always bigger when we are doing subtraction. Okay, so and you can see this is the bigger number. Now second number is 38 rupees 50 paisas. So I will write here 38 and here I will write 50. Okay, now start doing subtraction. Here put a sign of minus. Now start doing a subtraction from right side. Now 5 minus 0 here 5. 2 minus 5 is not possible because 5 is greater than 2. What we will do? We will take borrow from this side, means from rupees side, and it will become 12 and it will become 4. Now 12 minus 5 7. Okay, now move to rupees place. Now again 4 minus 8 is not possible because 8 is greater than 4. So we will again take borrow from this side and it will become 14 and it will become 5. Now 14 minus 8, count your fingers. 14 minus 8, how much? 6. So here I will write 6. Now this place is complete. Move to next place. 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, now here are points, decimal, so we will write here point. So our answer is 26 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so first of all we will write rupees and paise, units of money, and then we will write numbers according to their places. First of all we will write bigger number and then we will write smaller number. Okay, let us discuss one more example. Suppose we want to subtract rupees 28.50 and 38.50. Okay, question is subtract rupees 28.50 and 38.50. Now in this question from is not given to you. You have to see which is bigger number. Okay, for this we will compare number on left side, that is bigger number. Now here is 38 and here is 28. So which number is bigger? This number is bigger. So first of all we will write this number and then this number. Okay, so let us start. First of all write units, rupees and paisas. Now this number is 38.50. Okay, because this is bigger number. Now second number is 28.50. Now start doing subtraction. Okay, first of all we will subtract these two numbers. Now you can see from right side we will always subtract from right side. So 0 minus 0 here 0. Now 5 minus 5 here 0. Okay, 50 minus 50 0. So our paisas place is complete. Move to rupees. 8 minus 8 0 and 3 minus 2 1, and here is point. So our answer is 10 rupees because this place is 0, so there is no paisa, only rupees. So our answer is 10 rupees. In this way we can subtract the two numbers. Okay, so today we have discussed addition and subtraction of money. For addition and subtraction, first of all we have to write their units, rupees and paise, separate, and then we will write the numbers according to their places. The number on left side of decimal is rupees and number on right side is always paisas. Okay, so we'll write number according to their units, rupees and paisas. For addition, we will add the numbers, but for subtraction, first of all we have to compare the two numbers. We will find which is bigger number and then we will write first of all bigger number. In the same way, first of all we will compare the numbers on left side. Okay, left number shows which is bigger, so we will compare the number and then first of all we will write bigger number and then we will write smaller number and then we will subtract the two numbers. Okay,